Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving deep into the process of applying for Supplemental Security Income SSI online. If you've been overwhelmed by the thought of endless paperwork, confusing instructions, or long wait times, you're in the right place. This video is your comprehensive, step-by-step guide to navigating the online application process with ease, clarity, and confidence. Let's start by understanding what SSI is and who qualifies for it. SSI is a federal income supplement program designed to help age, blind, and disabled individuals who have little or no income. The benefits provided can help cover basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. Knowing whether you qualify is the first step in your journey, so before you begin your application, take a moment to review the eligibility criteria on the official Social Security website. This ensures that you're fully informed about the benefits you might be receiving. Once you're ready to apply, the next step is gathering all the necessary documents. Before you sit down at your computer, compile important items like your Social Security number, proof of income, recent bank statements, and any relevant medical records that support your disability claim. Being organized from the start can save you a lot of time and reduce stress later on. I'll show you exactly where to find the links and what documents you need to scan or have digital copies ready. Now, let's get to the heart of the process, applying online. I'll walk you through logging into the official Social Security website. For those who aren't very comfortable with technology, don't worry, I'll break everything down into manageable steps. From creating a secure account to navigating the application portal, you'll see every click and screen share on your screen. I'll highlight common mistakes to avoid, such as misentering information or skipping important fields, so you can move through the process smoothly. During the application, you'll be asked to fill out personal information, details about your financial situation, and specifics about your medical condition. Each section might seem daunting, but I recommend taking your time to ensure accuracy. Incorrect or incomplete information could delay your claim. I'll share tips on how to answer some of the trickier questions and what to do if you're unsure about certain details. Remember, thoroughness is key. Another important part of the process is the online submission. After you've completed every section of the application, take a moment to review all your entries carefully. I'll explain the importance of double-checking your details and saving copies of your application for your records. Once you're satisfied, you can submit your application electronically. I'll also discuss what happens next, including how long it typically takes to receive a response and what to do if you need to follow up or provide additional documentation. Throughout the video, I'll also address frequently asked questions and common troubleshooting issues. For example, what should you do if the website crashes or if you experience technical difficulties during the application process? I'll share proven solutions and direct you to reliable resources where you can get help quickly. To sum it all up, applying for SSI online doesn't have to be an intimidating process. With careful preparation, organized documentation, and a clear understanding of each step, you can confidently secure the benefits you deserve. Whether you're applying for the first time or advising a loved one through the process, this guide is designed to make your experience as stress-free and efficient as possible. Before we wrap up, I encourage you to leave any questions or comments down below. Have you applied for SSI online before? What tips do you have for others? Your insights might just help someone else in need. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more detailed guides like this. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey to securing SSI benefits. Remember, taking the first step is the most important one. And you're not alone in this process. Let's get started together.